In the latest version of UptiiQ, we've given you the ability to add your own watermark to your videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom watermark right on your own phone. First, you're going to need to download an image editing app from your favorite app store. I like Google's Snapseed. It's cross-platform, it's very powerful, and most importantly, it's free. So I'll open Snapseed. You'll be presented with the option of choosing one of your images from your camera roll, or you can shoot one, just like you can in UptiiQ. And you'll see that I have an antique chest top, I have some bricks, I have a textured wall. These are all just photographs I had around the house, or an interesting tile background. I'm going to use the tile because it has just a little bit of texture, and I think text can stand out nicely against this background. It won't be too distracting. The key to a good background is having something that contrasts against your text. So I'm going to have to darken the background just a bit to make it really stand out. And then I don't want the background to be too high contrast because it makes the text a little less readable. So I'm going to lower the contrast as well. So let's go in and tune the image in Snapseed, and then I will lower the brightness as far as it'll go. And then I will also lower the contrast as far as it will go. And just in case I want a bit of color, I can do that as well. I can do some color correction by going into the curves editor. I can choose a color and I will make it a little more blue. So I will select this blue curve and I will move it just up a bit. And now I have a nice textured blue background. And that's what I'm going to add my text to. So I'll once again go into the edit mode. I'll select the text tool. And I'll get to choose which font I'd like. I actually like the default font. It's kind of bold. It says double tap to change the text, so it's pretty straightforward. And I am going to make a copyright with my name on it. And the first question you might ask is, where the hell do I get a copyright symbol from? It's not on the standard iOS or Android keyboard. But fortunately, these days, there's an emoji for everything, and there is an emoji for the copyright symbol. So you go into your emojis, and then you scroll all the way down to your symbols, and you'll see that the copyright symbol is available to you. Then you go back to your text keyboard, and you should follow your copyright with the year, and then the name of your name or your company's name. I'm going to just use my name. Now you can also, for your watermark, use your Twitter handle, your Instagram name, LinkedIn URL, or even your blog URL. But I'm just going to say copyright 2017 with my name. Hit OK. So now I have a watermark, but the background is really big. I don't need that much background. It's going to distract from my video. So I'm going to go further and I'm going to crop my image now that I've put everything together. Hit OK. Save. And now I have a really cool watermark that I can put into UptiiQ. So I can go into UptiiQ, go into my settings window, choose watermarks, and I can upload a new image from my camera roll. It will be the last image I saved. And there's my new watermark. I can set its size, its position, and make that now my default. So every time I post a video, it will be marked with my personal copyright. And that's all there is to creating your own watermark on your phone for UptiiQ.